Why do humans build? It is in the act of creation that we find purpose, for building is an act of love. It is a language that speaks volumes without words, bridging divides and uniting hearts. Through building, we make the world better. We construct homes that shelter the vulnerable, schools that nurture young minds, hospitals that heal the wounded. We forge bridges that connect us, and in doing so, we create bridges between hearts and souls. Every building we raise is a stroke painted upon the canvas of existence, which holds the potential to change lives. These buildings become the vessels of memories, witnessing the laughter of children, the celebrations of love, and the triumph of the human spirit. They become a testament to our capacity for greatness, reminding us that within us lies the power to shape a brighter future. So let us learn to build, not just with posts, beams, and columns, but with compassion, empathy, and boundless love. Because together we can build a world where hope rises.